Seed starting tips for home gardeners. Spring is almost in sight and it's the perfect time to start your seeds. Before you start, here are some fail-safe seed sowing tips for you. Use the right soil mix. The right growing mix is fertile, well-draining and fluffy. It retains the moisture for plant growth but does not get too saturated and wet. Sowing at the right time. Just like humans, every seed has different needs, including the right season to grow them. Winter seeds will fail to germinate and grow in hot, humid conditions, while summer veggies like squash and gourds will not grow in the cold months of December and January. Check out our detailed vegetable sowing calendar for North India and South India. The link is mentioned in the description below. Light and temperature. One of the most important factors that affect the germination of seeds are direct sunlight and soil temperature. Hence, it's best to move your seed tray to a warm and sunny location for the best results. Water. Optimum soil moisture is required for germination and root establishment of seeds. Water the soil gently and deeply with a handheld sprayer. The link to our range of garden sprayers is mentioned in the description below. So grab your seeds and let's get planting this spring. We make gardening easy. For all tips and tricks, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening!